Good morning, mayong buntag sa tanan Gapera Sports Corner PH. I'd like to ask muna si Ma'am Sunshine. With the growing number of participants, especially yung mga elite runners natin, do you think kaya ba nating malampasan pa lalo yung number? And meron bang ibang mga elite runners bukod pa dun sa na-announce nyo kanina na pupunta nga dito sa EVA Air with only several months from now before yung ating mismong runs October?
Yes, thank you, Gab, for the question. So, first question, malalampasan ba natin? So, of course, no, with the number of participants that we were able to send last year, and the mileage, no, that we were able to reach, like how we informed the whole nation regarding the EVA Air, we are quite confident that it will be more than 300 this year. And we also, I would like to announce that we also invited schools, organizations, affiliations, and even the LGUs to support their runners. No, the different mayors, we already communicated with them so that they can send their runners to Taipei for the EVA Air Marathon. And once again, it is a very, very nice experience wherein the patriotism value can really be witnessed, no, from each and every one of us. Because once again, we will be running along the international, the foreign delegates also now representing their respective countries. Now, that's the question again. The second question, elite runners. There are other elite runners who are very interested as of the moment. So, as of now, what I have presented are the ones who have confirmed. But we have also invited other elite runners, top runners, even the athletes in the various schools, both public and private school. Last year, the Department of Education also is a part of this endeavor. We even we sent them to Taiwan. We were together with them, and they showed support not only last year but also this year. So for the Philippine Sports Commission, we invited them last year, and hopefully they will still continue to support the EVA Air Marathon, the Filipino runners for the EVA Air Marathon.
Ma'am Joy naman. Ma'am, nakita naman natin, of course, meron tayong ipapadala ninyong athlete, si Riviera. And kamusta ang progress niya? Kamusta yung training niya? And how excited niya para dito sa ating paglawak nga sa first international marathon na sasalihan?
Gab, thank you for that question and thank you for being with us this morning. Actually, Gabriel is very excited na this would be his first international run. So, yun, he's very thankful to Ma'am Shine, Travel Care and EVA Air for this opportunity. So, the training, alam mo naman, pagbata is always running, no? So, it's the cheapest kind of sport, and he's also doing push bike. So by October, he will be ready for the run.
Okay, lastly kay Sir Melandro ng The Preman. Sir, as we all know, Preman is one of the respectable print outlets dyan sa Cebu, and of course we support niya yung mga iba't ibang mga Cebuano athletes. What can we expect nga with the partnership nga between The Preman and of course yung ating EVA Air and Travel Care for this marathon? Thank you.
Thank you. Actually, Freeman is celebrating 107 years this year. So, being the longest running regional paper in the Philippines. So, medyo, plus the fact na we are part of the Philippine Star Group. So, we will continue to support the Miss Sunshine Travel Care and the EVA Air for this run to promote. So, if ever na hindi kayo agad makakita doon sa social media, we have print information na continuous namin ipapublish for Philippine Star and Philippine.
Right, thank you.